Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. Market today had a wild day. So finally we got the report from the Feds, which was expected, basically no change to the rates. And then Jerome Powell took the microphone and first part of it was very good. In fact, we see market rallying right through here. Let's see, yeah. And but then as soon as I believe start taking questions, I mean this thing collapsed and it closed below yesterday closing price. So we have a longer upper shadow, which is selling pressure. Price remains below all the moving averages, 50 SMA, 80 MA, and looks like it's on its way down to test the support at 492. It's holding barely the 500 level and closed near the low end of the session. So this doesn't look good at the moment. So I'm expecting a retest of 492. Any break below that, the next support is 486 and 480. It means caution is important here. As long as price remains below the 50 SMA, it's vulnerable and we are in bearish territory. Amazon reported earnings, was very positive, very good earnings, a strong company, gapped up, did a pullback test the 50 SMA, closed above it, which is positive. The volume is good, is positive, but closed in the red because, again, thanks to our man, Jerome. Let's see if this one turns around tomorrow and needs to gap up through the 185 level and then eventually take out the resistance all-time high 190. Next targets 196 and 204. This company has received several upgrades. Let me just show you quickly one thing. Dark Option Flow, this is the platform I use to track unusual option activity, like pool activities, analyst ratings, and so on and so forth. And you can check Analysts. It tracks all the major analysts across the US market. 50 analysts, they all agree it's a buy, and the average price is 216.82. And these are some of today. Those are some of the good ones that came in. Increase the price to 230, 234, 220, 221. This one, the blue, it's good, keeps it at 200, so that's more of a reliable source. JP Morgan, this is a big one. Generally, JP Morgan is very conservative. 240. So Amazon, lots of potential in the long term. For now, if you're planning a swing, the 50 SMA needs to hold as a support, and then if you want to risk more today, low. But there's a lot of potential. Are you tired of playing the guessing game in the stock market? It's time for a change. It's time to trade with smart money. Introducing Dark Option Flow, your key to trading success. Tracking unusual options, dark pools, and insiders' activities in real time. Trade alongside smart money. This is the game billionaires and investors don't want you to know. Dark Option Flow, your pathway to trading success. Try it today with our 14-day money-back guarantee. Join us today, 100% risk-free. Your success story begins with Dark Option Flow. Visit darkoptionflow.com and start trading in the know. Dark Option Flow, because your success matters. See you inside.